Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing an unboxing of a phone I picked up on eBay. So I've had these phones for a while actually. It's just been extremely busy in my life right now. So I haven't been able to make a video on them like I've been wanting to. Here it is. It's a boxed Samsung SPH-A840. So inside we got the owner's manual. There's a sticky phone that they've kind of cleaned up. The charger. Let's see if it's got any power in it. So this phone's been sitting for a while since I've had it, so I'm pretty sure it'd be dead. But it does have a box. The battery looks to be a little bloated. It seems to be the standard Samsung proprietary charger. But hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.